हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जीके एडुजोन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं 50 इंपॉर्टेंट जीके क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स ऑन इंडियन पॉलिटी। व्हाट इज अनदर नेम ऑफ द काउंसिल ऑफ स्टेट्स? राज्यसभा। What is another name of the Lok Sabha? The House of the People. The maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha is 250. The President can nominate how many members in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha? 12 members in Rajya Sabha and 2 members in Lok Sabha. What is the tenure of the elected members of Rajya Sabha? 6 years. As per Constitution of India, what is the maximum strength of the Lok Sabha? 552. The Parliament of India consists of President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Who is known as the father of Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavalankar. Who was the first Indian woman president of the United Nations General Assembly? Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Who was the first female to become the governor of an Indian state? Sarojini Naidu. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by elected members of the Legislative Assembly. Who is the chairman of Lok Sabha? Speaker is the chairman of Lok Sabha. Chief Minister of a state gives his resignation to the Governor of States. In case state emergency is declared, it needs parliamentary approval after every 6 months. The state which has the largest number of seats in the Rajya Sabha is Uttar Pradesh. What can be the maximum interval between two sessions of parliament? 6 months. Who holds the post of chairman of the Niti Aayog? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Indian Constitution has taken the concept of single citizenship from United Kingdom. Who is the first woman Chief Minister of India? Sucheta Kriplani. Number of standing committees in the Indian Parliament is 45 standing committees. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Vice President of India. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? H.J. Kania. How many sessions are held in a year in Lok Sabha? 3 sessions. Total number of high courts in India is 24 high courts. When the first general election held in India? In 1951. Right to Information Act in India came fully into force on October 2005. Who was the first president of Indian National Congress? Umesh Chandra Banerjee. Minimum age required to contest for Lok Sabha election is 25 years. Minimum age required to contest for Rajya Sabha is 30 years. When and where was the first EVM used? In 1982 in Kerala. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission? Prime Minister is the chairman of Planning Commission. Who is the first female speaker of Lok Sabha? Meera Kumar. Which article of Indian Constitution give the power to President to impose President's rule in a state? Article 356. In which state of India President rule was first imposed? In Andhra Pradesh. Which is the first state to be formed on the basis of language? Andhra Pradesh. In which year Sikkim became a part of India? In 1975. Who has the power to form new states or to change the borders of the states? Parliament. Who makes law in India? President and both houses of Parliament. The Speaker's vote in the Lok Sabha is called casting vote. How many seats have been reserved for Union territories in Lok Sabha? 20 seats. Governor of states is appointed by President of India. In which year Indian National Congress was established? In 1885. Who founded Indian National Congress? Alan Octavian Hume. Who is the first citizen of India? President of India. Who is the second citizen of India? Vice President of India. Who is the third citizen of India? Prime Minister is the third citizen of India. Who is the fourth citizen of India? Governor of States of India. At present, how many seats are there in the Rajya Sabha? 245 seats. At present, how many seats are there in the Lok Sabha? 545 seats. Who was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India? सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक और शेयर कीजिए और चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. थैंक यू.